Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. If this is the first time on my channel, I post a lot of things on how-tos and do-yourself, so if you're interested in learning more about that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe below. And if this video helps you, I would greatly appreciate a like on the video. This will help out my video and my page and will allow me to make more videos like this in the future. But in this video, I'm going to go over the best social media scheduler / planner that I've ever came across. It's a very easy to use application. It allows you to schedule posts to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Google, and YouTube. And you can even create one post and post it to all your accounts at the same time. So let's hop into my computer and I can show you how to use it. Schedule and post to all my social accounts. It is much better and easier to use than Hootsuite or Later or Buffer. I've tried them all, and also the pricing on this one is far more reasonable if you were to go with a paid plan. They do offer a free plan. But to get started, in the right hand corner here, you'll see a sign up button, but since I already have an account, there's a dashboard button. So you can just click sign up and go through the registration process to create an account. After your account has been created and you log in, you'll land on the dashboard page. This page just gives you a basic view on the number of posts that you've completed, the number of success or failed, and the type of post, whether it's a media link or text type post. But to get started with the program, you're going to want to go to the account manager page on the left sidebar. This is the page where you'll connect all your social accounts. Right now, I just have Facebook and Instagram because these are the accounts that I post to most often. You'll see an add account button, or you can also click on this little plus icon in the top right corner of any of the boxes to add your account. To add your Instagram account, you'll just click the add account button, username, password, and where you want Instagram to send your verification code. Or if you have an Instagram business account, you'll just log in through your Facebook account that's connected. And similar with Facebook accounts, you'll just use the login button, and same thing with all the other ones basically. After your accounts have been connected, you have two different options where you can post to. I like using this post to all page because it allows you to create one post and send it out to all your accounts at the same time, or you can schedule for later. It just makes it the most easy and efficient way to schedule and plan your social media posts. So for this example, let's say I want to post to Facebook and my Instagram account. What I can do is type in a caption. I can then import a file that's already in my storage. I already have files saved here, so I'll just go ahead and do that for this video purpose. But you have the ability to upload from your computer, import from your Google Drive account or your Dropbox account, and you do have the ability to post it right away, or you can schedule it later by checking off the schedule box, clicking the time posts, choosing a day and a time. So this will be October 29th, and you can choose a frequency if you want, every day, every 2 days, up to every 60 days it allows. But for this post, I just wanted to post once. If you do have your Instagram account selected, you have some additional options. We'll walk through that. You can tag users in the post. If you click this option, click anywhere on this post, search the username, add the tag. You can add the location to the post, and you can also add the first comment to the post. Now, if you were to upload a video file, you could also choose the cover of the video, as well as the same options here. So for this purpose, I have my post set up, and I wanted to post on October 29th at 4:00 p.m. Let's go ahead and schedule this post. The posts were successfully scheduled. So now we can go ahead and go over to this calendar page, and we can check out all the posts that have been scheduled. Now, I already had posts scheduled in the past because this is what I use to post to my social accounts. But as you can see here on the 29th, these two posts right here, the Facebook and Instagram, these were the posts that I just scheduled. And you can see that they're gonna go out on October 29th. Now, this is a great application. You can post to all your accounts at the same time, like I said. And another cool feature that they have is this content grabber. I'll just show you this real quick. This is a great way to generate posts if you run out of content to post. So basically, you have to have an Instagram business account to use this content grabber. Say I want to just use a hashtag, search a hashtag, and pull up recent media that have been posted with this hashtag. So what I can go ahead and do, I can go ahead and save some images to my file manager, and I can repost them to my feed. So I just saved a few images. We'll go ahead and head over to the file manager page, and you can just see that the images are here that I just saved. But I hope this video helps you. This is a great social planner. If you have any questions about this, I've been using it for about 3 years. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer any questions, and I definitely appreciate you taking the time and watching this video, and I hope it helped.